Welcome to the lesson. So in this video I will show you how we can use Shopify. So if I search here, simply just Shopify. So you see this is the official website shopify.com. So I click here and you can start free trial, or you can see the pricing option. Just click here pricing. So it is you see have the plan for 3 months is $1. So I recommend you choose this for try for free. It is 3 days free trial. Also then you can payment you pay $1 per month. After 3 months you have to pay per month is $90, and you can choose any other plan, which is this plan, this is advanced, this is plus. So I recommend you just keep when you start you can keep this plan for your store. And another option is, if you need to practice how you will do this, Shopify give you a chance for this for a developer, or you can test your. So you just click the partner, Shopify partner. You see this is URL is shopify.com then partner. So simply click this, become a Shopify partner. You can sign up or log in. You need to click the sign up and complete your tasks where you see your name, email and phone number etc. You just create a partner account free, which is completely free, and you can use it any like premium version. Okay, so when it is complete, suppose I will go my store, and when you create your partner account, you see here have the partner, Shopify partner. So you create a store like this, or you can add a store. Click here, you can create another store, no problem. So when we are going to log in and go to the settings, go to the plan. So you see I have plan details, change plan, custom plan. So here you can when your store is finally updated, you think it's time to now your store is launched, so you can click the change plan and you see this is your store. Okay, so you can update this. It's depend on your you can start for Shopify official.com. You can start per month is $1, or you can choose Shopify partner and then you can update your plan, which is directly $90 for per month. Okay, so I hope you understand how you will do this. So after updated your store your plan, you can also changes your domain. You see I have the domain. Okay, I will show it you next video. Okay.